Did you know that thousands of people around the world are participating in multilingual meetings, conferences, and other events without physically being at the location where these are being held? They're using their smartphone, tablet, or computer to connect remotely. What's most impressive is that they're participating in their own language. People love this kind of communication. And the event hosts and organizers love it because it means no need for expensive language interpreting equipment, no need for interpreting booths, and no need to pay for interpreters' airfare, hotel rooms, or even meals. So how is it possible to host these multilingual events anywhere, anytime, and in any language? Well, it's all thanks to a new breakthrough technology that very effectively uses remote simultaneous interpreting, or RSI. And at Cesco Linguistic Services, we're introducing you to our own brand of RSI called CescoConnect. Powered by KUDO's cloud-based platform, CescoConnect is quick, easy, and allows all participants to experience clear audio, clear video, and of course, interpreting in their own language. You can use CescoConnect when you need to speak to your multilingual partner teams, when you need to speak with remote employees in their language, when hosting shareholder meetings in multiple languages, for trainings requiring more than one language to be spoken, for compliance audits in multiple languages, and for anything you have that involves a group in more than one language being spoken. What's not to love? So the question is, why aren't more businesses using RSI services like CescoConnect to meet their multilingual meeting needs? And the answer, they're starting to. We've seen an increase in the number of businesses requesting a demo of our CescoConnect service. Many of these businesses have immediately engaged us for their next multilingual event. Research by Slater, the world's leading provider of news, analysis, and research for the global translation, localization, and language technology industries, expects the demand for remote simultaneous interpreting services, like CescoConnect, to continue to increase over the coming years. This is especially true given the current pandemic state the world is in because of COVID-19 coronavirus. At Cesco, we believe that RSI will become ubiquitous with businesses of all sizes. Why? There's a number of good reasons RSI services like CescoConnect are set to revolutionize the way multilingual business events are done. For starters, interpreting expenses are reduced by as much as 50%. You get unparalleled flexibility with no administration headaches, and it offers a great experience to everyone involved. CescoConnect interpreters work from our KUDO-compliant studio, designed and optimized specifically to be used with the KUDO cloud-based platform. They're equipped with the optimal computer hardware, optimal audio and visual equipment, and optimal technology software to ensure an optimal outcome for you and your participants. But don't just take my word for it. Right now, I'm inviting you to a free demonstration of CescoConnect. Simply go to www.cescols.com/connect and complete the demo request form on the page. One of our friendly, helpful, and courteous staff members will contact you to schedule your demo. And if you're really in a hurry and would like to speak to us right now, call us at 1-888-898-4591. Listen, there's no time like right now to put CescoConnect to use in your multilingual conferences, meetings, and events. Our schedule for demos fill up quickly, so schedule yours today. Do it right now.